Selling on Amazon from Alibaba involves sourcing products from Alibaba, a popular Chinese wholesale platform, and listing them on Amazon for resale. Here's a brief guide. Research and select products. Identify profitable products by researching market demands and competition on Amazon. Use Alibaba to find suppliers offering these products. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for an Amazon seller account if you don't have one. Choose between an individual or professional account, considering your sales volume. Source reliable suppliers on Alibaba. Search for reputable suppliers on Alibaba. Verify suppliers' credentials. Check product quality and communicate with potential suppliers to negotiate terms. Request samples. Before placing bulk orders, request product samples from Alibaba suppliers to assess quality and ensure they meet your standards. Negotiate pricing and MOQ. Negotiate pricing, minimum order quantity, and shipping terms with your chosen Alibaba suppliers. Aim for competitive pricing to maintain profit margins. Place bulk orders. Once satisfied with samples and supplier negotiations, place bulk orders for the products you intend to sell on Amazon. Shipping and customs. Arrange shipping from Alibaba to your location and handle customs clearance. Consider using freight forwarders to streamline the logistics process. Create Amazon listings. List your products on Amazon using your seller account. Optimize product listings with compelling titles, descriptions, and high-quality images. Fulfillment method. Choose between fulfillment by merchant or fulfillment by Amazon. FBA involves sending inventory to Amazon's warehouses for them to handle shipping, while FBM requires you to fulfill orders. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels. Optimize your listings based on performance and adjust your sourcing strategy accordingly.